Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a part 2 to my How to Crochet series, and today we are going to be working on some half double and double crochet. So to get started, all you need is some yarn and a crochet hook, and I'm using the same yarn as the other video if you've seen it. I love this yarn in neon, and it is a weight 4, and it calls for a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, but honestly it doesn't really matter for the purpose of this video. We're just practicing to learn how to crochet. So let's get started. Basic. If you haven't watched the first video, I suggest you stop this one, go to the other one so you can get a much slower tutorial of chaining and single crochet. So okay, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so you're gonna make a nice little loop. You're gonna pull your yarn through that loop and tug, and then you're going to pull. You're gonna tighten it around your hook, not too tight. You want to be able to move it back and forth like so. And so all you're going to do is you're going to wrap your hook and pull it through that chain. And you're just going to keep going. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And we're going to get a few chains in here. And there we go. And so now we're going to go into our single crochet. We're going to skip that very first chain, and then we're going to go into that loop. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And you're going to keep going just like that through the entire row. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And I'm going kind of fast through this first row, only because we've already gone through this. This is more of a review and to set things up for the half double and the double crochet. So we're finishing up our row. A little trouble going through that very last one. I made it a little bit too tight of a chain on my loop. So we're going to do 1 chain, and we're going to turn our work. And then we're going to wrap the yarn around the hook. And we're not going to go into the very first chain, we're going to go into that second one right here. You're going to yarn over, pull through. And now at this point you have 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook. And you're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through all 3 loops. And that is your half double crochet. So let's go again. Yarn over, and go through and go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3. Now the height is going to be the same, but it's just going to be a little bit of a thicker stitch. So yarn over, you're going to go into that stitch. I'm going to pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3. Yarn over, go into that stitch, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over and pull through 3 loops. And so we're going to finish out the row. We got 2 more stitches. Sometimes I have a really hard time with that very last stitch. Okay, so we got our half double crochet. Why don't we do this 1 more row just to make sure that we understand it? So we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. We're going to yarn over and go into that second loop. So not this very first one. We're going to go into that second one right there. You're going to yarn over and pull through, and yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And we're just going to continue on. And this is a great stitch if you're looking for something that's a little bit thicker, but not necessarily taller. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, go into your stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Yarn over, go into your stitch, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 3 loops. And there you go, our second half double crochet row. And so now we're going to do 2 chains, and we're going to turn our work, and we are going to do a double crochet. So you're going to yarn over, and you're going to skip that chain there, and you're going to go into your very first stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now, just like before, we have 1, 2, 3 loops on our hook, but we're not going to go through all 3. We're only going to go through 2. So you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, and you're going to yarn over and pull through 2 again. And let's go through that one more time very slowly. I'm going to yarn over and go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. Now, as you can see, it's a bit much taller stitch. You're going to get a little more height on that one. Yarn over, I'm going to go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And this is, I love this stitch for when I'm trying to get something done quickly and thickness isn't much of it doesn't really matter that much, because you're going to get a lot more done quickly. So last one, yarn over, go into your stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So there you go. So we had our single crochet for that very first row, we had a half double, and now we have a double. So that's all there is for that lesson today. I hope you found this helpful. If you have, please like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing some more videos just like this to help you learn to crochet. Everybody have a great day.